Hey guys, my name is Nick, welcome to the channel. In today's video I want to show you how to make film damage effect in Davinci Resolve. So let's open Davinci Resolve, and on timeline you can see the clip. So let's try to apply this effect to this clip. First of all, open the effects tab right here in the top left corner, click on effects. Now go to Open FX right here and scroll down to the very bottom. And there is the necessary effect, film damage. Now just drag and drop it to the clip. Okay, you already can see how this effect looks like. And now we can customize this effect. To do it, select this clip and now go to the inspector window. You can open it in the top right corner right here, click on inspector and go to effects. Here you can see all the effects that have been applied to the clip. So here is only one, film damage. Now just click on it and finally you can customize this effect. For example, you can change the film blur. Let's increase it. So in the window you can see how the video changes. Let's set this value. So the next one is temperature. You can also reduce it or increase. And tint, of course. Focal factor, I think we can increase the value of this option. Geometry factor. And a very interesting effect is Dark Destiny. Let's increase the value and you can see what it does. And I think we can drag this slider to the right. And yeah, that's good. So you can play around with the other parameters, and here's what we've got. Well guys, I really hope this video was helpful for you, and I'd love it if you'd subscribe and put a like under this video. Thank you so much for watching, bye bye.